Some good examples for the Asia Pacific region to look to for ATM sharing of data or collaboration and really partnerships start on the other side of the ocean or other side of the world with the US and Europe, as Eurocontrol and the FAA is probably the two largest air traffic flow management systems. We have data exchange agreements, and we work together sharing information about flows of traffic across the North Atlantic tracks. Following up on that, as you come closer to the United States, we and Canada, as well as the US and Mexico, participate in common traffic management programs where Canada will respond to or hold aircraft for heavy traffic days into New York. Likewise, we'll help them with traffic in Toronto, or we've helped Mexico into some of their vacation destinations and work that flow of traffic. Additionally, as we look towards the Pacific, we've had some recent examples where both JCAB, the Japanese, and the Americans work together on trajectory-based operations, working with Boeing and showing the success of minimizing delays for aircraft and actually reducing greenhouse emissions by having trajectory-based operations or time-based flow management operations coordinated together through adjoining ANSPs. The benefits to everyone who is involved in the sharing of data or collaboration around air traffic flow management, not just the Asia Pacific region, but around the world, is that you have a common understanding of the data, of the issues. You're working from a single source of information and making good informed decisions. But the real result is the efficiency of the operation. Aircraft are spending less time on the ground burning fuel. They have more efficient routes, or if we need to hold aircraft, the word is spread early versus an abrupt stop or airborne holding that wasn't expected. Now, that all works together towards the ICAO long-term aspirational goal of reducing greenhouse emissions or to a net zero level by 2050. As we all work together, that is an aspirational goal. It's a very difficult goal to get to, but we're getting there incrementally by sharing information and improving our operation one step at a time. So just sharing data and initially having those collaborative conversations is a major step in that direction. Technology really provides an opportunity for us as air navigation service providers to share information, to have a digitalization, if you will, of information that we need to optimize our flows of traffic. Sharing that information allows us to have common data points, a common understanding, and then we can collaboratively make decisions about what's best for that operation or adjoining operations. A good example of that we've done in the Latin American Caribbean Conference, or the LAC3 part of CANSO, is called Cadena, where we share information with the FAA, hosts the opportunity to share information amongst South American, Central American, and Caribbean nations about flows of traffic. We have a digital display of that information, and then we enable that discussion on twice-weekly phone calls where all of the ANSPs participate. For the Asia Pacific region, a common regional VPN network can provide infrastructure that will be needed for those ANSPs to share that critical aviation data and enable that same conversation. Again, all aimed at optimizing our operations, reducing greenhouse emissions, and really just providing a better customer experience. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in Bali, where we as CANSO members can get together in the Asia Pacific region, exchange information, share best practices, and really work together to improve our overall operation. I'll see you there soon.